Hi beauties, it's your girl Fabulously Nappy and I'm back with another NBLX video for you guys. So before I get into it, if it's your first time here, you're welcome. Please hit that subscribe button to subscribe to my channel so that you do not miss, and click the bell beside it to turn on your post notifications so that you do not miss any future uploads. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for tuning in again. So getting into it, my client here, she has been a loyal NBLX babe for a while. Like, we've done her hair a couple of times. So this time around she came asking for tribal braids with knotless braids in the back, and she already had her hair shampooed and moisturized for coming. So I just got into braiding, and we're doing medium sized braids in the back, and that's what the first two rows are looking like. Yes, creating some content. So I went ahead to do the rest of the braids offline, off camera, and right now I'm just showing you the parts. As you can see, I'm moving the hair very slowly and gently. That's because my client is super tender-headed. Like, the least she feels the slightest pain, so I just had to move the hair around very slowly, opening the parts, showing off, because we do clean work. All right, so that's it. Zigzag lines going all the way down, nice and cute. I'm just arranging the hair right now to take some pictures so I can post on, just creating content. So I went ahead now to do the front braids, and I had to speed it up because it was really late, and secondly, she was feeling the pain too much. As you can see, even in the sped up video, she keeps moving, like holding the hair and all of that. That's because she's really tender-headed. Not because I'm pulling the hair, but she's really tender-headed. That's one of the reasons why she usually comes to NBLX to do her hair, because we always make sure to take our time to do her hair, and she always enjoys it. So I just went ahead to she came the next day because we finished the previous night really late. So I trimmed it, dipped in hot water. That's me moisturizing the hair. Then I did her edges, and after that I put mousse. Like, who doesn't like mousse, right? So I tied it down next and dried it up. Then I just sprayed some sheen spray, and that's it. Look at that hair, it's giving, and she really liked it, and I'm glad that she did. So if you'd like to book an appointment with us, feel free. I'm going to leave a link down the description box. You can message on WhatsApp, Instagram, or even Facebook. We are located in Cameroon, Bamenda town, Bambly precisely, but we're available for travel at an extra cost. Yes, so that's it for this video. Please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye.
Get you out of my mind.